Am I singing?
No, City.
You look like a stalker?
No, City. You're just doing that weird story thingy.
Oh, okay. So one day I was in my class. I don't even remember what the teacher was, but
Brody.
Mrs. Birdie?
Brody.
Brody?
Yeah, Brody.
Miss Brody. Okay, and she was like, okay, class, we're going to do a talent. And I was like, okay, I have a really weird one. I can screw wire through my hands like this. But, so she was like, okay, go do it. And I was like, okay. So I walked down to the drinking fountain, and I got some water, and I carried it back through the hallway in my hands. And I was like, what the heck? Why can't I carry water through my hands? And then I came back, and I squirted it right in her face. And she was like, oh, that's not good. I'm giving you an F. And I was like, what the heck? You told me to display my talent. And she was like, that's it. You're going to get demerit. And I was like, how do I get demerit when I have an F? And she was like, I don't know. I'll make your grade a Z. So then I was like, you're not a real teacher, are you? And she's like, no, I'm an alien from the planet Leaf. And then I was like, oh. And she was like,